welcome to another video, guys. Today we are kayaking at Newborough. I'm still waiting for Dave as usual. He should have been at my house for half past 8, and he texted me saying that he's running half an hour late to make my own way, which I have done, and he still hasn't here. So anyway, so the plan is to kayak around Cove today and around that coastline, so hopefully all good. Tide's about to go out at the moment, so we're just waiting for that. So yeah, let's see it.
Enough off with that camera. It's scary.
As you can see, guys, he's turned up. He's done not too bad. It's only about an hour and a half, so it's not too bad. Anything to say about your hour and a half, Dave?
Off with the camera.
Gonna film you getting ready. Punishment.
No, you're not. No off.
So you got yourself a GoPro, haven't you, Dave? What are your reasons for the GoPro?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Filming, revenge, call it what you will.
Filming, revenge. So guys, we made it onto the beach. As you can see, the tide is still in at the moment. It is on its way out now. A little bit on the old lumpy side. Around Llanddwyn area it was completely flat, so I'm wondering if I made the right decision or not, coming this side of the island of Anglesey. So over there, where the camera's pointing now, I don't know if you can make them mountains out in those hills, but that over there is Trevor. Then you've got the Snowdonia peaks over that way to the left. We're planning on kayaking over that way, if I can zoom. So we're kayaking over there, which is known as Pilot's Cove. So yes, that is the plan.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
Now made it onto Pilot's Cove, guys. Absolutely stunning again. Bit of a tough paddle getting here. It was all hitting us from the side, and the tide is actually on its way out at the moment. Dave's managed to get in backwards somehow. Don't know how that's happened. Is that technique, dude? So yeah, so this is where we've got in. Let's give you a bit of zoom. So when the tide's fully in, you can't get onto this island here. It's actually split off just there. But as you can see, the tide is on its way out now. So yes, this is a private little beach area, very nice. Crystal clear water. See my feet. They're a bit further out. So now I'm at my knees, and yeah, and you can still see the feet. That's how clear it is here, and it's cold though. Thought the conditions would have been better today. We gave a light wind here today, 24 degrees, but it feels like 17 degrees, and I would say it's a moderate to high wind. So yeah. So we're just heading back out now from the cove, heading back round into the rough.
That looks nice and flat too.
Where all them white flashes are. The one thing we've got to watch for here are shallow rocks. Hence why it's called Pilot's Cove. Because many boats have got wrecked on it. Oh, nice and rough here, dude. Oh, yes. Just looking for a safe flat swim. Yeah, we're not going to get through there, dude. Take it a little bit wide. Oh yes, this is good fun. Woohoo! You're out there, dudes. Just got round the cove, guys, and this is what we're greeted with, little islands. So I'm hoping there's going to be some seals around onto this island. I'm very surprised that I've not seen any yet. Last time I came round here there was loads, you know, there's way over 20. But there's the lighthouse. I'm sort of trying to turn round, guys, at the moment, but if you can make it out. So we've got the lighthouse there on the corner with a big cross on the island. We've got this little island here. Wow. It's all them sunning themselves. Just made it round the other side. Greeted with, yet again, hundreds of cormorants. And loads of babies on here. Try to hold it as best as I can. No seals, dude. Not a one seal. What the hell's going on? And what a difference it is here. It's flat.
I wouldn't say flat, but very close to the
So over that way, guys, over there you've got just round the bend you've got Cable Bay, and then Ross Niger and the stacks at the top end. Behind me we came from basically Trevor Pier way, so that's roughly where we are located at the moment. I don't know if you can make the cross out over on the island. If I can hold it. No, wasting my time. But I am amazed that I haven't seen any seals here, because last time I came there was loads of seals. Can you get up there, Dave? Hey? Where? Sorry, up like this. Dead end. Hey up. I think we've got to paddle backwards here. Gonna go that way, dude. I'll pull you in. Yeah.
channel you're on about?
Channels from round there, where that beach is.
You have to wait for the back.
Yeah. I think we can just about make the cross out now on the island. Look at him on there! Dirty buggy! Haha! He's having the time of his life. Go on, kiddie. Have a little explore around here, I think. Oh. Get the zoom out my face.
Hey?
So we've spotted his first seal. Don't know where he's gone again now, but he'll be around somewhere. Yeah, I knew they were here. Oh, he's a big boy. You feel like a knocking, banging on your boat at the underneath. You look like a supermodel stood there, Dave. So we found him. I don't know if we can pick him up again, but he's over there. He's still quite a way away. Oh, it's bloody, that camera. Oh, he's just chilling there on his own, ain't he, Dave? Oh, he's having a good look at us, Dave. Yeah. Hey? He's gone. Is he going to come check us out? What are you? He's playing with your rudder? Bloody hell, it's like just so flat here. It's beautiful. Eh? No? Was he pulling your rudder? Oh, are you pulling my rudder? You're pulling my rudder.
I should have learned to bite my tongue, hold back my thoughts. But deep inside I feel just like an astronaut. I was in the corner of my mind, got trapped inside. I forgot to look beyond, I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Wrong, now that's an understatement. to walk alone. I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heart.